Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we take the guesswork out of your next purchase. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a showdown between two titans, the Sovol SV06 and the Creality Ender-3 V3. Who will come out on top? Grab your popcorn because this is going to be one heck of a ride. Alright, let's kick things off with the price. Because, let's face it, we all want to know how much we're going to cry at the checkout. The Sovol SV06 comes in at a wallet-friendly $249. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is slightly pricier at $299. So if you're looking to save some bucks for your coffee addiction, Sovol's got your back. Next up, print speed. The Sovol SV06 can be upgraded to 150 mm per second with a firmware update. But hold your horses, because the Ender-3 V3 is here to blow your socks off with a whopping 500 mm per second. It's like comparing a bicycle to a rocket ship. Sovol, you're great, but Creality just went full-on speed demon. Let's talk extruders. Sovol SV06 sports a planetary dual-gear direct drive. Sounds fancy, right? It promises accurate extrusion and has a big ol' knob for easy feeding. On the flip side, Ender-3 V3's got the Sprite Direct Extruder, which sounds like something out of a superhero comic. It's got a 60W ceramic heater and a bimetal heat break. Reviewers for both printers appreciate their extruders, but the Ender-3 V3's features seem to edge out slightly in terms of capability. Both these bad boys can handle high-temperature printing up to 300. But remember, with the Sovol, you might need an enclosure for anything over 260. Reviewers note that the Sovol's learning curve is a bit steeper here, while the Ender-3 V3 handles high-temp printing more seamlessly. Auto-leveling, because manually leveling a 3D printer bed is so last decade. Sovol SV06 uses a 25-point auto-leveling system. Sounds thorough, right? But Creality Ender-3 V3's got a CR touch sensor that promises accurate leveling. Reviewers say Sovol's system is reliable, but Creality's is more precise and user-friendly. The build plate, where the magic happens. Sovol SV06 comes with a flexible PEI-coated plate, which sounds like a yoga mat for your prints. It's easy to remove prints without tools. Creality's Ender-3 V3 didn't specify anything fancy about its build plate, so Sovol takes the win here for making our lives easier. Noise level. Because nobody wants to live next to a jet engine. Sovol SV06 boasts a self-developed 32-bit silent board with TMC 2209 drivers. Translation: it's as quiet as a ninja. Creality didn't brag about its noise levels, so Sovol might just let you keep your sanity. Reviewers appreciate the quiet operation of the Sovol. Last but not least, customer service. Sovol offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Creality matches with a 12-month warranty and 24-hour after-sales service. However, some reviewers have had negative experiences with Creality's support, making Sovol's lifetime support like having a 3D printing guardian angel. Overall, reviewers find the Sovol SV06 to be a solid, budget-friendly option with great print quality and ease of use. However, some minor design issues and the need for an enclosure for high-temp printing are noted. The Creality Ender-3 V3, on the other hand, is praised for its impressive speed, advanced features, and overall performance, although some users have faced issues with tech support and inconsistent quality. So there you have it, folks. The Sovol SV06 and the Creality Ender-3 V3, both fantastic 3D printers with their own set of superpowers. If you're on a budget and want a quieter experience, Sovol might be your new best friend. But if speed is your game, Creality's Ender-3 V3 is ready to zoom into your heart. Let us know in the comments which one you're leaning towards. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our smart buying advice. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.